In 1975, the Masonry Institute of Iowa was founded by the masonry industry to promote the profession in Iowa. And still today, the mission of MII is to work with the architectural, engineering, and construction industries to build quality masonry buildings. MII is a great resource, so the next time you are building with masonry and have a question, call us. Or visit us online at masonryinstituteofiowa.org. There is no better building material than brick, block, and stone. History shows that masonry is durable. Some of the oldest structures in the world were built with masonry. And today, some of the most impressive buildings in Iowa are constructed from brick, block, and stone. What other building material can say they can last the test of time? Masonry is the building of structures from individual units, which are often laid in and bound together by mortar. Masonry consists of brick, concrete block, natural stone, and cast stone, and is an integral part of many buildings. Those who put bricks, concrete block, and stone into place are called bricklayers. Laying masonry is a highly skilled trade, and by having a qualified mason contractor on your next job site, you can help build a structure that is versatile, beautiful, and built to last. Now, to learn a little bit about each masonry product. Bricks are one of man's oldest materials, made by kiln firing clay. Bricks come in a wide array of choices in colors and finishes to give each building its own unique look. Bricks expand over time, but designers use expansion joints to account for this growth. Studies also show that when properly installed, brick veneer wall assemblies control moisture better than wall systems clad with other exterior materials. Concrete masonry units, or concrete block, are made by mixing Portland cement and aggregate with water. Concrete block comes in many choices, from gray hollow core to landscaping rock face in a variety of colors and faces. Concrete block is strong, and it's a great choice for reinforced exterior walls. It does shrink over time, but control joints are used to account for the shrinkage. Natural stone is quarried around the world, and in Iowa, limestone is still found in eastern Iowa. Today, stone is mainly used as a veneer and in landscaping because it is labor-intensive. One of the best elements of natural stone is that there are dozens of varieties with no two pieces being the same. Cast stone is defined as a refined architectural concrete building unit manufactured to simulate natural cut stone, used in unit masonry applications. Cast stone has two production methods: vibrant dry tamp and wet cast. Cast stone can be made from cement, sand, crushed stone or gravel, and colored with pigments. Masonry units are held together by mortar. Mortar is made of Portland cement, hydrated lime, aggregates such as sand, and water. There are several types of mortar that are used, depending on the type of wall being built, and comes in a wide variety of color. Did you know that masonry goes up fast? Once the design specs are approved, the brick, block, and stone can be delivered to the job site within weeks. There are also many other reasons to build with masonry. First, it is fire resistant, as bricks, block, and stone are non-combustible materials and do not burn. Masonry is also weather resistant. Exterior walls can hold up to heavy storms, howling winds, blistering heat, and sub-zero temperatures. Reinforced masonry walls have a better chance of standing through earthquakes and tornadoes. Masonry is also termite resistant because there is no wood to eat, and with no exterior wood, there is nothing to rot. Masonry also blocks out noise better than traditional building materials for superior soundproofing. Masonry requires very little maintenance, and because it is higher thermal mass, masonry buildings stay cooler in the summer, warmer in the winter, thus reducing electric consumption. Also, masonry products are recognized by the government programs as a contributor to green building status. Masonry products are earth-friendly as they do not deplete limited natural resources such as timber, and there is very little waste at the plants and quarries. Lastly, studies show that masonry-constructed buildings and homes offer a greater resale value than other non-masonry buildings. These are just some of the reasons why you should build with masonry. As the industry's voice, the Masonry Institute of Iowa can tell you how great masonry is. But what do others have to say about using masonry? With a properly designed wall system using brick, block, and stone, along with a qualified mason contractor, buildings constructed with masonry are built to stand the test of time. Thank you to our contributing members whose effort help us all build a better Iowa with brick, block, and stone.